what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty.